Hello everybody, welcome along to this video. Mr. Johnson teaches Macbeth Act 3, Scene 3. You're about halfway through the play if you're watching these videos, so well done if you're making it one by one. And if you're just dipping in, great to have you along as well. These videos are designed to basically give you a quick revision of each and every scene from the play in case there are any you've forgotten. Macbeth is part of your English Literature GCSE. It's paper 1 and it's section A. It's the first exam you sit for your English. So without any further ado, let's move on and have a look. In summary, three murderers hide, or three murders as I've typed there, but it should be three murderers hide in wait for Banquo and Fleance in this scene, and then they attack and kill Banquo, but Fleance escapes. So yeah, absolutely, this is a scene where we actually see a murder take place on the stage. The first time, in fact, because until this point, every other death has taken place off stage. Key characters here, well, Banquo and Fleance feature obviously, and there are three murderers. There were two in the Act 3, Scene 1, when Macbeth was speaking to them, and they've been joined by a third murderer. So then we go through it. It's a very short scene. It says a park near the palace, so it's some sort of dark woodland. And there's a conversation going on basically with the first two murderers about another one joining them. And then he talks about, with the arrow there, the west yet glimmers with some streaks of day. So yes, it's still some daytime, but basically the sun is going down. This is absolutely pathetic fallacy. It's absolutely sort of foreshadowing what's about to happen, because things associated with nighttime are generally very negative. And then you get Banquo going on, comes onto the stage. What ho, give us light. He's not on the stage where it says within, that means off stage, but he's calling on. And then the murderer's right, yep, that's him, let's get ready. And then in the middle there, we've got enter Banquo and Fleance with a torch, not an electric torch, we're talking about a flaming torch here. And then the murderer's like, "'Tis he, stand to it," which basically means get ready. Banquo just doesn't know they're there. It's going to rain tonight, he says. "Let it come down," says one of the murderers in response, and they set upon attacking Banquo, as my arrow says there. "Treachery! Fly, good Fleance! Fly, fly, fly!" He's talking to his son, as you would. He wants his son to run away, get out of here. Treachery is like sort of terrible deeds, terrible acts. He dies, but there you go, Fleance escapes. As my first arrow says, Fleance's escape means that the witch's prophecy about Banquo's children remains true. And a reminder, that was the prophecy where they said to Banquo, "You shall get kings, though you shall be none." So you're not going to be a king, but you shall have kings yourself. Essentially meaning his descendants will go on to become kings. Off they go, or Fleance goes, I should say. It's leaving the murderers there. His third murderer says, "One is down, but the sun is fled." Then they said, "Well, let's away and say how much is done. We better go tell Macbeth what has happened here." And off they go. Key themes, I mean, it's a short scene. Evil, absolutely, especially with even that reference to darkness as well there, but also murder. I mean, I could have added the word violence there as well, because that obviously comes up here when you've got the murder of a very pure character on stage. And that's it. I'm not going to put up any questions to this scene because it really is so short. It was just a good one to recap and just be aware. It's very unlikely they'd pick that for the exam. I think that'd be a particularly cruel one to choose. I can't see what questions they'd ask, but at least you've seen it now, and well done for making it to the end of this video. So I'll say thank you very much for watching it, and good luck when it comes to your exams. Bye bye.